Welcome to Alltech, where we review the latest in technology. Today we're diving into the REDTIGER Dash Cam Front Rear F7NP, a feature-packed driving companion for safety and clarity. If you want to know more detail of this product, you may check the link in the description box below. The F7NP delivers outstanding video quality with its 4K Ultra HD front camera and 1080p rear camera. Its 170-degree front and 140-degree rear wide-angle lenses minimize blind spots, making it ideal for capturing road signs, license plates, and other critical details. This clarity is essential in unexpected situations, ensuring you have reliable evidence when needed. Equipped with a premium optical lens, f1, 5-aperture and HDR/WDR technology, the F7NP excels in low-light conditions. It captures every detail, even in dim environments, ensuring nighttime driving footage remains clear and sharp. The REDTIGER app enhances usability by connecting your smartphone to the dash cam via Wi-Fi. This allows you to view, playback, download, and edit footage effortlessly. Plus, sharing your memorable journeys with friends is just a tap away. With built-in GPS, the F7NP records your driving route, real-time speed, and location. You can track your journeys on Google Maps via the app or the included GPS player for Windows and Mac. This feature adds another layer of evidence for any incidents. The F7NP is designed with safety in mind. Loop recording ensures continuous video capture even when the memory card is full. Its G-sensor automatically locks collision footage, preventing it from being overwritten. Additionally, the 24-hour parking monitor with a time-lapse mode provides non-stop surveillance, though a hardware kit is required for parking mode. The REDTIGER F7NP Dash Cam combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it a must-have for drivers. Its 4K video clarity, exceptional night vision, GPS functionality, and advanced safety features ensure peace of mind on the road. Whether for daily commutes or long road trips, this dash cam is a reliable partner. If you're looking for a comprehensive dash cam, the REDTIGER F7NP is a standout choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Alltech for more in-depth reviews. See you next time.